Content governance is a necessary organizational step for Colby College's website. The goal is to create an optimal user experience through well-executed content and ease of navigation. Content governance is all about crafting a site for the users. Colby's audience consists of students, whether current or prospective, visitors, parents, alumni, faculty, and staff. These users are all looking for specific content in relation to their needs. That content must be relevant, timely, so it should be updated frequently, valuable, and easy to find. In order to provide a quality experience, content governance must be established. Content governance consists of 4 stages, which are known as life cycle stages. The 4 stages are request, create, manage, and retire. Each phase is important in creating an exceptional user experience. The request phase, as the first in the life cycle, touches upon the foundation of the website. It's split up into 4 categories: ownership, business purpose, resources needed, and success criteria. These are all used to build a strong foundation for the site and help decide why, how, and for what reason content is made available. The purpose of determining ownership is to know who is responsible for the content. Whether it is an individual or a department, whoever takes ownership of the content must be knowledgeable and connected to the content. A strong business purpose serves to prevent lackluster information from finding its way to the site. With a clear purpose, all content will be relevant and important, and low-value content will be left out. Resources needed refers to who or what will be required to complete the project. Determining this at the start of a project will eliminate issues later on. This step gathers resources, ensures that they are committed, and determines any educational requirements that might be necessary. Success criteria is fairly clear in its name. This is a set of criteria drawn up in order to determine the success of the final product. This is used to help show whether or not content needs to be revisited and re-examined, and help to get rid of extraneous information. The create phase, as its name implies, refers to the creation of content. The success of this phase rests upon appropriate workflow and access. There are a couple steps in this phase that help to streamline the process of getting the content out there for the users without compromising security and quality. Whether or not the site has security restrictions is a fact that should be determined right away. In Colby's case, this is an important step because assigning access to different areas can prevent content from going live to other groups before it is ready. It also helps users have the ability to only access information that is finished. Assigning workflow helps to make sure that the content conforms to the college's requirements. It helps to segregate content that needs more work before it is accessible. The manage phase is most successful if it is addressed on a quarterly basis. This step involves updating and managing content as needed. This will keep the database clean and help things run faster, smoother, and more efficiently. The retire phase goes back to metrics established during the request phase, bringing the lifecycle to full circle. This is the cleanup phase, where unnecessary content is eliminated or retired. As you can see, the first 3 phases, request, create, and manage, are the foundations for quality content governance. These serve to streamline the efficiency of a website's construction and build content that is relevant to a user's needs. The retire phase finishes the task by looking back at the past steps and determining what information or content is no longer necessary in order to adapt better to users' changing needs. Following these steps for content governance is a sure way to build a cohesive site for Colby College that will appeal to all potential users' needs and provide ultimate success.